In this video, we show how to add a relay configuration when you already have a transmitter and a receiver. The local IP is the IP address of the device itself. The relay unit is the central node. IP is 192.168.1.11. The ground unit is the access node. IP is 192.168.1.12. The drone transmitter is the access node. IP is 192.168.1.13. The remote IP and group IP are 22.4.0.0.23. This IP12 is from the ground receiver unit. The ground side node corresponds to this device. Then the other node, IP11, is a relay. The relay node corresponds to that device. Finally, the node 13 is the air drone transmitter 1. Transmitter IP13 corresponds to this device. 3 IP addresses correspond to our 3 devices. First, we set on the ground side. Let's see the network sub-item. Local IP is his own IP, because the IPs of the 3 nodes must be different. Then set the remote IP and group IP. The remote IP address. The same group IP address. Next is for serial communication. Then check the serial sub-item. Check if the serial ports 2 and 3 follow the remote IP or not. If not, modify according to the remote IP just now. That's right. Then finally, look at the advanced page. Because it is the ground receiver unit, then it is not a relay. It chooses the access node here. Okay, then ground receiver's configuration is complete. Then look at the relay. For the relay, check the local IP. It is its own IP, 11. Then these 2 IP are the same as before. Both are multicast IPs. Then check the serial port to see if it has been modified. Because if you have modified the IP yourself, then it will not automatically update the changes. You have to type the multicast IP address manually. Then the advanced tab is a little different. This is a relay. Choose the central node here. The function is like a router. Access nodes cannot connect directly. It must be via relay central node. The relay unit has one more setting than other access node. The ratio of this TDD configuration needs to be changed. Upload and download speeds are roughly equal. Choose to D3U, submit it. Refresh the page and read successfully. The relay node is also configured. Finally, let's configure the drone transmitter. The IP is 13. Then the remote IP group IP is the same, 224.0.0.23. Then the serial port setting. Check if serial port 2 and serial port 3 are modified accordingly or not. Finally, this selects the access node. The configuration of the transmitter node and the ground node is actually the same. Just the IP is different. Only the relay has to choose Centrola node. Its configuration will be slightly different. You need to select central node. In this way, the transmitter, receiver, and relay node have been configured. Networking is formed, the video and data will transfer.